everybody, Anna here with Fun Sock Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make these terrifying guys. They are super easy and you'll have them done so fast, but they'll add a little fright to your Halloween decor. I'll show you not only how to make the spiders, but also how you can display them in a way similar to this and some other ways that you can do it too. If you've been liking our videos, make sure you like this one and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, head on over to funsockcity.com to get the socks that I used for this creation. And the link is in the description down below. We also have a link to the pattern in the description below as well. All right, let's get started. One sock will make 2 black spiders. First thing you'll do is cut off the sock right after the heel. Set the tube part aside and stuff this. First, stuff just the toe of the sock, rather full, and we'll tie that off with a piece of black string or yarn. Trim off the ends of your string, then stuff the remaining part. For this back part, stuff it until right about the heel line, and then gather up that opening that you have and just pull it towards your string that you tied with. We want to create kind of a bulbous back part. I'm going to stuff mine just a little bit more. Once you're satisfied with the look of it, you can go ahead and tie that part off. If you have someone to help you with this, it will definitely make it easier. Of that string. Then we'll use the pipe cleaners to help hold this into place. For now, set this one to the side and take the tube part of the sock and tie off the section where you cut. Do a nice tight knot. And again, you'll stuff this part. Right now we're going to create the head. Pull this part that you tied off, kind of loop it under, back to the spot where we're going to tie it to create that midsection line. On the top of the spider, flatten out the sock and kind of wrap it around that bottom piece in here. Tie that off. And then begin stuffing this back portion. Stuff it about 2/3 full. Grab that back portion and bring it up here to the same place where you created that midsection before. And you'll tie again with a knot, tying always on the underneath side. And at this point you can cut off the excess sock that's sticking out past that knot and throw that away. And at this point, we'll put the legs on. For each spider, you'll need at least 4 pipe cleaners. If you want them to be a little bit thicker, you can twist them together. For me, that didn't make a very big difference, so I'm going to be just using them single. Take your biggest spider, grab that spot where we tied it off on the end, bring it towards the center. This is the bottom side. Let's bring it towards the center, come from behind. Make sure you have it centered. Nice and snug. Twist it a couple of times and then put those legs out to the side. Do the same thing right above that, but this time just twist it about once. It doesn't have to be as tight because you're not using it to hold this tied spot in its place. And bend those ones up towards the top. Take your third pipe cleaner and insert it in that folded section right here that you created by bringing that knot forward. And those ones towards the back. And then for your last leg, you're going to insert the pipe cleaner actually through the sock. Center that, twist it just a couple times, and send those legs towards the back. For an added touch, you can bend these right here. You'll repeat those same steps on the smaller spider. If you'd like to, if you have enough space in here, that last set of legs, you can actually insert in that fold over spot if you have enough space. Take your eyes and attach them using either hot glue or fabric glue. And then if you'd like, you can take some red fabric paint and paint like a black widow sign on them. Normally the black widow symbol is on the belly, but just for some character effect, you can do that, or you could leave them just as is. And then go ahead and scare the daylights out of everybody as you stage these around your house. You can just set them on bookshelves, piano, or you could create kind of a web type wreath like this. Here's how I created my wreath. Take any kind of circular thing. This is a circular embroidery hoop. At the stores they sell just blank metal wreaths that are made from wire. Then take some of this spider web that you can buy in the store. I'll put a link to where we got ours. And begin by working to cover anything that you want covered, and just stretch it across. And depending on the look that you want, you could leave it just like this. I think I want mine a little bit thicker. And I'll call it a day with just that. And you can cut off any of the excess, and it just kind of sticks to itself, which is really nice. And then take your spiders and just hook them on there. And then hang it up for all to see. All right, that's it. How did your spider turn out? Let me know in the comments below if this tutorial was helpful to you. Also, feel free to post pictures of your creations on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to tag us. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.